Hey everybody, welcome to our digital advisory class. This class will meet for 30 minutes on Thursdays. All right, I'm going to go through a PowerPoint here that'll help talk about the class a little bit. All right, so I want you guys to take a couple minutes and fill out this Google Forms. So if you have your phone, go ahead and hold it up to the QR code here. I'll move out of the way. Hold it up to that, or you can copy and paste this link if you're using your iPad and you don't have access to put your camera on this. All right. It just asks about your name and a couple things about you so I can get to know you guys. All right. Once you have completed that, you can go ahead and pause this video and do that if you'd like. Just wanted to let you guys know some goals for advisory. When we meet every week, we just want to have a place for you guys to have consistent connection, academic support, social and emotional learning, character development, community and culture building, some positive school culture, and some fun school spirit stuff. So it's going to be kind of our place to just check in every week, make sure things are going all right for you guys. So there is a Schoology page for us. So our sessions are Thursday from 2 to 2:30. The Zoom link will be able to be found in our Schoology course. All right, it'll say week 1, September 17th advisory. Click on that. In there will be the Zoom link for you guys to come into advisory. All right, in these advisory sessions, there'll be some mini lessons, there'll be some student discussions, there'll be some breakout rooms, some check-ins, some study groups, some announcements, pretty much a little bit of everything. Hopefully each week is going to look a little bit different. All right, so until we have our first advisory, let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, see you guys next week.